You guys, I just made it up. And I'm gonna be going up. Is this song just call my name? Wait. Yo, guys. This song, I have to push this car up with my weekend and hold air in my hand. And this is how long the hill is. And I have to go house where a person was killed in, probably. So I gotta just do this kick before something happens. And this is a really dark area, so I barely can see anything. Okay, guys, we're about to go. All right. Whoa! Okay, that was crazy. Let's go.